Guys, we're back for another Camaro garage videos. This is my Camaro and I wanted to be showing it to you. And here's the front of it. It looks pretty dirty, but on the inside it looks pretty cool. And bunch of stuff. The speed, how you're going, it goes to 140 miles per hour. Chevy. Here are the keys for it. And then here's the back. So if you know what year it is, please tell me. I don't think this Camaro one. Holy. Come here. Look at that. All the junk ones are out now. So that's good. Things. You need to try it hard, holy. And I might as well go get some leftover stuff from here. See if my dad will let me. And I'm looking for something that I can use to put on my car. My dad actually gave this Camaro to me. Lucky me. I'll go see if there's anything in the back. There's a bunch of sort of stuff in here, and today I'll make a video of me sanding it and stuff. So put it right here. I'll need this. The GoPro is right under the sand. Okay. I'm halfway done sanding, as you can already see. I'm already halfway done sanding. And should we clean my windshield first? I'm gonna go get baby wipes. Look at how dirty that is. Here, that's a bunch of dust. You don't want that on your deck. And just so you know, I want you guys to comment how nice this looks. And I'll just start cleaning. There's a bunch of porcupines and stuff on it. And I'll put you guys in here. Yeah, I'll give you guys a cool view. Here's the view of my Camaro. We're inside of the Camaro right now. Looks pretty nice, eh? Got the keys. Here's a picture. Here's the inside of my toolbox thing. Here, I'm gonna close it. Now, look at, you can also roll down the windows. This thing is classic, so it's not like you roll down your like windows like with new cars. It's a little different. This thing needs hard shutting the doors. So this is my car. Okay. For like, I want to be white with orange stripes coming down, like all the way from the back to here. I need to fix my hood because it's and I'm planning to get this working sometime in my life and jack it up with the jacker, which is right here. Say hi, Jacker. Ask the guy that helps me out really much. And I wonder if my headlights work. Do these ones work? No, I don't think so. Here, I'm gonna turn on something that can make if you come stand with me, you can. You can go here. Now I'll be the one who's standing. Oh, and also, there's a rule I want you to break. That rule is like and subscribe. And I'm gonna go show you my dad's car. That's my mini car. I don't use that anymore. Here's my dad's car. Here's the thing, the leaf blower thing. Let's see if I can get this hooked up. Well, just in case. Let's see if this mask fits me. It's a little too big. Hey guys, look what I just found. It's many purple. I need to even just more on it. Wait. old one. And that's gonna be it in my video. Thank you guys for watching, and bye. Remember, like and subscribe and comment what is your favorite kind of Camaro. Bye.